In today's guide, I'll put you through on how to send Google Docs to WhatsApp. So follow me, let me put you through on the steps you need to take to get that achieved. Sending Google Docs from laptop to WhatsApp is easy, but we first need to create the document first, which after that we download it to our PC. So open your web browser and follow along. Visit docs.google.com. On getting to this page, select blank document or any other document of your choice, which after that, create the content inside of it. Okay, so let me create my own from blank document. All right, I'm done creating my own document from the blank document. Okay, and I gave the file title named software guide. Okay, so create what you want to have in the document. Now that I'm done with that, let's save this document file into our computer. So for you to do that, click on File, select Downloads. Then from the options displayed to you, you can select the format at which you want to download this file. Do you want to download it in Microsoft Word document, open document format, rich text format, or even EPUB or any other format of your choice? But here, let's download in Microsoft Word document. Click on this option and the file is downloaded into my PC and is made available in the downloads folder. Let's go and check on it and see. You can see the file here named software guide. Now that the file has been downloaded, let's go ahead and send it to WhatsApp user. You may not have WhatsApp installed on your Windows PC. And for you to use that, you can access it through the web or you install it on your PC. In this case, I want us to install it on this Windows 11. So, open the Microsoft Store app that is made available on every Windows PC by default. As the Microsoft Store opens, click into the search area and type the word WhatsApp. As the application shows up in the search results, click on it. Once you're taken to this page, click on Install button and hold on for the application to be fully installed on your Windows PC. You can see the installation is going on. Now that we are done installing the application, click on Open. Now it states Welcome to WhatsApp, a simple, reliable, and private way to use WhatsApp on your computer. The next step you need to take is to click on Get Started. Now it's guiding us on how to set up WhatsApp on this PC. For us to do that, we need approval from our WhatsApp mobile. So it says to set up WhatsApp on your computer, open the WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu, that's the three dots on Android, or settings on iPhone. So here I make use of iPhone. So I will be using the WhatsApp made available on my iPhone. It said tap link devices and then link a device. Put your phone at the screen to capture the QR code. Okay, so or you go with this option. So I'm going to go with this first option. I don't want to go with the option to link with phone number. Okay, so let me get to my iPhone screen and start the processes. Okay, I am on my iPhone screen, so the first step is to tap on WhatsApp for it to open. Then Tap on settings just as I was directed. The next step is to tap on the four squares at the top right. Then the next step is tap on scan and scan the QR code. Okay, you can see I'll tap on continue. Then link device. Then it's now connecting. It's syncing. Good. Done. Let's now continue from here. Then I need to click on the contact I want to forward the Google Docs file to. So let me forward to Mike. So I'll click on his name. Then the next step is to click on the attach file icon. Select document because Google Docs is a document. Navigate to the folder where you save the document file, and here I saved it in the downloads folder. Then you can see the file here named software guide. So I'll click on it and click on open. Now that the file is placed here, you can see the preview. The next thing is to click on send button. And Mr. Mike has received the file from his end and can read the content. It's that simple. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss technology which cuts across how to use Android phone, iPhone, how to use different computers, and how to use some applications. We also cover YouTube education for content creators and potential content creators, as well as self-publishing. So subscribe to learn one or two things in the area of technology. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Does it really help you or not? If it does help, just leave a comment. You can say thank you. But if it doesn't solve the problem I brought you here exactly, just let me know in the comment section, okay? I will provide extra help on what you need that brought you here, okay? Hit the like button so that YouTube will share this video to more people. If you don't hit the like button, there's no how the system will know that the content is helpful. So that's why I need you to hit the like button so that the system will know that it's good and share it to more people that want to watch similar content. All right? Watch this video to learn everything you need to know on how to use Google Documents. Thank you and see you some other time.